taking that lug nuts off.
Already got loose. We're finding the jacking points. Jesus Christ. Alrighty.
So we're using the 14mm socket. It's loose. This extension. I don't need the ratchet anymore. It's already loose, so I'm gonna use it to have a better grip. Man, this is gonna be hard. Ready?
Turn the wheel. There you go. Smooth. Yeah. Right it. Alrighty. We're rolling.
Little screw.
Is that?
Gurney.
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's
so
check these things out.
Here's one rotor. We're going to repeat the same procedure as the other side. I'm going to loosen this bolt. This is what's holding the caliper.
General Motors.
So
General Motors, brother.
So that's called caliper, right?
Yep. Little 2-piston. Okay, new scene, I guess. I accidentally pushed the down button, which stopped it. Now you should get her the big brake kit, the Akibono.
So right here, loosening the bolts to take off that bracket.
Lift with your knees. Part 2. Doing this step. Get on this side. You gotta whack it right here on the side with the hammer so it knocks all the rust out. Don't they get rust welded?
Okay. So we need to take the rotors to get them resurfaced. It's all rusty.
Oh yeah, it's all rusty. On that one, it's not.
Okay.
Lift.
Now we're cooking.
Yep.
This one doesn't go too tight. Not extremely tight. There it is. That's not supposed to be too tight.
Not
so
bad.
Now the bracket. Right?
Yeah. Little C-clamp. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Pretty tough.
Yeah, they're pretty hard, but it's okay, slowly but surely.
Kind of hard to put it upside down.
You're right.
big bead. Inner, yep, that's it. Yep. Alrighty. Nice. These things are gonna stop on a dime. There you go, buddy.
Okay.
Everyone take this? What the heck? It flipped on me.
You don't have to get up. Well, I don't know. You.
Okay. So what size is this again? You need to let me know.
This is 18.
Alright.
Look how it's compressing right down there, right here. So it goes.
Yep. Yep.
Not like this.
Okay.
Outer. Go like this. Okay. Grabbed. I need the 14mm. I'll come back to it.
Gotta straighten the wheel.